Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm using InVideo.ai to work with a client who's a local business, a psychologist. I need to do some videos on ADHD because this psychologist, he has a lot of patients who have ADHD, and that's who he wants to attract. Okay, so what do? I want to see what's popular. I want to see what works. So I found the most popular video I could find on ADHD. Okay, it's got 2.2 million views. Then I come down here and I look at the comments. It's got 4,000 comments and I sort by top comments. Now I'm going to come down here. I got the top comments and here's a guy. I got 256 replies. So I come down here and I'm going to get all these replies. See, and I'm going to go and I'm going to copy and paste them. Just a bunch of them, right? I'm going to copy and paste them. I come in here. And I'm going to go to ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT. And what I did was I copied and pasted all those comments in, you see here. And then I asked ChatGPT to give me some viral YouTube headlines using the info in these comments. Apparently that's a hot comment, right? It's about people who were blamed for their ADHD. It's basically the theme. And I've got all these headlines. I waited 29 years for my ADHD diagnosis. Diagnosed young, blamed forever, growing up with ADHD. There's some pretty good headlines here that I think will tap into this pain that people are feeling about being misunderstood for their ADHD. That's what I got from looking at those comments, and that's what ChatGPT got from doing these comments. So right now it is 10:10, okay, down here in the morning, and I'm going to go to InVideo.ai and I'm going to go and make some videos using some of these headlines. And we'll see how long it takes me. And all you do to create a video with InVideo AI is just simply to say, please create a YouTube video on this subject. And I put the subject down here. Now you can add other instructions as well to be more detailed. But that's basically the idea. You put your subject, you tell them what you want them to make a video about, and you click generate video. And that's it. That's the process. That's how simple it is to get started. Okay, so here I got the video, and actually it looks pretty damn good.
Suddenly my entire life
take a look at that.
The struggles, the frustrations.
All right, but I want the voice to sound less AI sounding. And then I want it to have a call to action at the end. So this is how you edit the video. You put a prompt in there, and it edits the video. Okay, so what I did is I did a command here. Please change the voice to a woman's voice and make it less AI sounding. And
hey everyone, it's good to have you here.
It's really good.
Today I'm sharing my personal journey.
I think it could have improved on the video footage or images. You know, with editing, you can do better with that. But the voice is very good, and the music is good. And it for a video that maybe took 10 minutes to make just by putting in a prompt. Pretty awesome. Okay, on the next video, I'm doing something a little different. I'm going to use my own voice as the AI voice. So what I did is I came here to voices, all right, and I uploaded an MP3 with my video, not a video, an MP3, just a recording. And in the recording, I said, I give permission to clone my voice. I give permission to clone my voice. It analyzed it. And now it's created a voice for my videos for this client, which is going to be my voice right now. So we're going to see how this works out with my voice. Okay, so here's the YouTube short that I created with my own voice.
But fun fact, mine's been on vacation for 11 years.
Yeah, man, it's my voice.
Focus feels like herding cats. Ever spent 30 minutes
I put the cat thing in there. Okay. So yeah, this really worked, man. I mean, it really sounded like my voice. I played it for my wife and she said, yeah, that's you. Could not tell the difference. Maybe some little inflections and so forth, but really very, very usable, very, very good. And it saves me from having to read the whole voiceover, which I can usually do pretty quickly, but still, that's a very good tool. And I'm finding this is really good for shorts. I think it's a little bit better for YouTube shorts than for the longer form videos. Sometimes they seem to run out of stock footage, and then you have to pay extra for the the extra footage, and that can get kind of expensive. But a tool for making Instagram videos, shorts, this is great. And I'm going to make a few more on some of those headlines that I found, and, get my local business customer ranked, up crazy for his local keywords. I'll optimize all the videos for local keywords. It's already working great for him. And we're just going to keep pumping out these videos so he gets more and more presence online. So this is a great tool to use I say to create shorts, very quickly that are very decent and can really get your campaigns going. Whatever you are promoting online. If you're not using video, you're missing out big time. And there's no excuse with a tool like this. Anybody can create really good videos and get started. So I'll put my link below. It's an affiliate link. You could check it out. And there's a free version, which has the watermark. I upgraded to, the middle option, but even the highest paid option, which I think is $60 a month or so. If you're going to do a lot of videos, it's well worth it. So check it out. InVideo AI for some software so you can get going doing video marketing. All right. All the best. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel while you're at it. I appreciate it. Like and share. Send this to someone who you think could benefit from it.